Students, so we are doing determiners. So previous we have done our either, neither, each and every. Okay, so I have tell you about that each and every both having the same meaning, means pratek and every means also pratek, but each will be used in what means more than 3 or more than 3. Okay, and the every is and each is limited. Okay, mean सीमित है ये, और every is used more than, that is used in more than that. Okay, means in this numbers are more. Okay, so in that case we are using each and every. For example, I have said each side of the square has the same length, means how many square has 4 sides. So in that case, not we are not using every, we will use each side of the square has. Okay, for take another example of every Indian must be proud of their country. Okay, so every Indian must be proud of their country. So there is a, it is a now common to use plural possession there. Okay, with every in order to avoid the gender bias, means every Indian must be proud of his country or her country, not like that. So that we using there. Okay, so now we are doing what? Qualifiers. So qualifiers are some, any, much, many, several, a lot, these. Okay, so we will continue with we will continue with the first. We will do some or any, where we use the some or any. Okay, some and any. So some is what? Some is uncountable. Okay, for that water, milk, in that case we will use. Okay, and any, that is a countable, and like we will use which is count. Okay, so for example, we have invited means some friends, not any. Okay, some friends which are countable to the team. I need some paper, कुछ पेपर चाहिए ताकि हम उसे लिख सकें. Okay, and in case of any, how will we use? So I am telling you about any is used for the in the negative sense, and it is also used in the interrogative. And interrogative, where we want the answer of yes, we will use some, and where we want the answer no, then it will be negative. So how we will use these? Let us see. The employees have not done any work since morning. Okay, so Tashi has not made any friends so far. Fear means in the negative sense we are using, na, negative sense. So this is negative one and this is negative. So any is used in the negative sense. Okay, in this way. Okay, so both or anywhere it is used. देखो, I am feeling very thirsty. Where we listen, I am feeling very thirsty. Could you give me some water? Here some water means yes, means positive. We want here positive sentence is this. That's why we using yes here. Okay, yes. The response will be yes here. Okay, and could you do this work yourself? Do you need any help? Means do you need any help? Answer will be no, because you can do this. So in this way we will use some and any. Okay, so you can give me any pen, you can spare. So any can also be used to mean it does not matter which one. Okay, or which or who, when. Okay, so in that case also we used this. Okay, my doors are always open for you, you can come anytime. In this sense also we will use some or any. Okay, so one more example I will tell you about that. Like many, this is not your in your book. Many a, so this is an singular one. This is your singular noun. Okay, and many is a, many means plural. This is your plural. So where we are using many a, many, where we are using many a and an, the जो with the helping verb will be our singular. in this singular हम जो है use करेंगे. for example, many a boy, many a boy is sitting, or you can say singing a song. so many a, बहुत सारों में से एक, is singing. so it is a plural, but when we are using many a, it become, then we use singular verb here. okay, and for example, for many, if there is many, so many, and the sentence will be how? Many, and here will be boys. Many boys are singing a song. Many boys. Here many a means one. बहुत सारों में से एक जो है गाना गा रहा था. Okay, so in this way many and we have cleared this. Okay, next is our topic is much and many. We have done much. Much means what? Much and many. Much is what? This is the quantity, and many, this is which is countable. okay, so much is used before, where it is used, much is used before the uncountable, a large quantity. okay, so many, much labor, much joy. okay, and many is used before countable in plural form. Many is used before the countable, which we can count 1, 3, 5, 7, and in this way. okay, so that is many students, many artists. okay, in this way. so this is much and many difference. This is used for uncountable, and this is the countable where we use in this. okay, now the next topic is our little, the little, few, a few, the few. so how we use this? so little means not much, hardly any. It is used almost in the negative sense. Means for example, you are having the milk, but that is not enough to make the tea. so that means जब पूरा ही नहीं है, so that is used in negative sense. means that is not sufficient. means little means not sufficient. sufficient नहीं है वो, मतलब हम उसकी चाय नहीं बना सकते. that's why not sufficient. little milk is there, but that is not sufficient to make a tea. so this is used in the negative form also. ठीक है. so there was a little sport for the strike. hardly means बहुत मुश्किल है कि strike हो. okay, now next is, and this little is used in which? little is used where? the little is used the quantity which is a quantity that is not countable. okay, so this is we are using little, like milk, water. in the liquid form we are using this. okay, a little means what? a little means we having the positive, means having the here is a positive, we having positive. okay, positive sense means sufficient. here this is sufficient. in the previous little negative है, not sufficient, but here positive में जाएंगे, and that is a sufficient. so we still have a little money with us. हमारे पास कुछ पैसे, we can buy a decent dinner. means उससे ज़्यादा हम नहीं खर्च सकते, पर हम इतना है कि एक decent dinner ले सकते हैं. so in that case we will use a little. So a little money with us means we having sufficient, means that is a sufficient for having the dinner. So that's the little. The whole quantity though very little, मतलब पूरी है जो है क्वांटिटी, लेकिन पूरी पर वो थोड़ी है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन दिस केस व्हाट वी यूज द इन दिस द नॉर मीन्स पॉजिटिव भी है एंड नेगेटिव भी है. हाउ दिस, द लिटिल राइस दैट शॉपकीपर ऑफर्ड मी, मतलब जो शॉपकीपर ने मुझे थोड़े चावल जो ऑफर किए थे वॉज ऑफ इन्फीरियर क्वालिटी. ओके, सो जो हैं थोड़े, मतलब थोड़े हैं, नॉट बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं है. अगेन इन दिस वी हैविंग वेरी लिटिल मीन्स थोड़े हैं. ओके, सो दिस अगेन द सेम हियर, दिस इज लिटिल इज यूज्ड इन द quantity and few is used for the countable. So this is used where we having countable. Okay, so few means again that is a negative and not sufficient. It is not sufficient means हैं लेकिन वो sufficient नहीं है, पूरे नहीं है, तो फायदा ही नहीं है. So this TV channel is not good. It show few good program almost none. जो मतलब this TV channel है अच्छा नहीं है. Why? It show few good programs almost none. जो कुछ ही दिखाता है और जो वो अच्छे भी नहीं है. ठीक है ना, तो बहुत कम नेगेटिव सेंस में हम कह सकते हैं. ठीक है. एंड नेक्स्ट इज अ फ्यू. अगेन दिस इज अ पॉजिटिव बट सफिशिएंट, दैट इज सफिशिएंट है, थोड़े हैं लेकिन सफिशिएंट है, मतलब पूरा है हमारे लिए. जैसे लास्ट इवनिंग आई वेंट टू सिटी सेंटर विद ए फ्यू फ्रेंड्स. सो ए फ्यू फ्रेंड्स के साथ मैं वहाँ गई. नेक्स्ट द फ्यू, ऑल ऑफ देम दो वेरी फ्यू मीन्स ऑल ऑफ देम दो वेरी फ्यू मीन्स सब हैं लेकिन फिर भी बहुत कम है. द फ्यू ट्रीज लेफ्ट ऑन द हिल साइड, the few trees left on the hillsides do not bear any fruit. Means हैं थोड़े से हैं, they do not bear fruits. So in this way we have done our determiners. Okay, so this is for you today. Okay, thank you.